How to move files into Google Drive folders. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Drive and then click the file which you want to move. Then you'll find three dots at the top. Click on it. You'll find Move option in here. If you don't find it here, you'll find it beside Recycle Bin, which has arrow on it. Click on Move. After you click on Move, you will find all the folders pop up. Click on the folder and you'll find Move option. Click on Move and then you're good to go. Your file will be moved to that folder you just chose. As you can see, it has been moved. This is how to move files into Google Drive folders. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.